I'm in full-time ministry. I also have 2 businesses. I have a house and a pet sitting service, and I also have a local dog treat that I bake. I've just been in transition since I moved back, so I've bounced around to houses here in Laurel. I've rented a few places, but I've never owned a home, so I think it's just time to move out of my mom's house.
So she is not going to need some big spread. She'll need something small that's easy to take care of because she's not going to be there a whole lot.
So we've got a house in town. She wants to stay at 100,000. She's a single lady. She doesn't need a lot. She's not there a lot. 100,000 is more than enough to do what she wants.
I'm with my best friend, Nikki.
I need a cool place to hang out.
She has a checklist longer than me, yes.
All right, so we call this one the Reddick house because Ethel and Joseph Reddick lived here from the 30s till the 50s. It's a 1920s cottage. It's 1 bedroom, 1 bath, a little over 900 square feet, and we think you could get it for 40,000.
All right.
Oh my gosh, I love that.
Oh,
that is
Erin.
adorable.
Wouldn't it be great?
Yes, yes. Totally love the color.
Come on.
Plenty of places to sit.
Yeah.
Okay. I can have company over.
Exactly. Everybody could come over and everybody would have their own chair.
I feel a little claustrophobic in here, just a little
I think
bit.
it's the red.
Maybe it is.
It's all
It's
up on
heavy.
us. Yeah.
The size of the
All right.
room, all the windows, it's a great room. It's just the finishes are pretty bad.
Yeah. So it's really just a matter of paint, light fixtures, and flooring.
Okay.
Yeah, we would actually want to run new flooring front to back on the house, all the way
yeah.
throughout. But also, so the house doesn't have central heat or air. 5,000 for flooring, 5,000 for HVAC.
Not a lot of cabinets in there.
No, there's not. It's
So
just
look at that and then forget it because
okay.
it doesn't
It's
matter.
hard to forget.
It doesn't
but
exist.
It is
Yeah.
hard to forget.
Yeah, so all this is gone, and it's a master bedroom, and it's a good size. But come in here. This was the master bedroom.
I said no purple.
Enjoy the purple.
I said no purple.
She hates
I think it's
purple.
really lavender.
Well,
Yeah, it's not purple.
it's in the purple family.
We all look like corpses in the
It's
light
in the
of
purple
it, though.
family.
Very sad.
Check out the bathroom. Just stick your head in there, look around. The bathroom is as big as this bedroom.
It's a nice size, yeah.
Something's a little off.
Yeah. This door is not a door. It's caulked up, walled
Yeah,
up,
I
locked
would
up.
show you the
No.
backyard. I mean, I don't even know the combination to get the locks undone. But look, it's caulked all the way around.
But this becomes a really great closet, laundry room, mud room.
We do have an idea.
Yeah.
Okay.
You already have a house that was your grandmother's.
I do, but it's not in town, and I don't know.
It's like in your mom's yard.
It really is in her yard.
Literally in her yard. But we have some really good ideas and we want to show you. So let's go.
Let's go back out there and look at it, okay?
You can look.
Okay.
Okay.
Tell us about this.
Well, we call this the little house. I mean, it's less than 700 square feet. And this was my great-grandmother's house. She was the last one that lived in it. She was my grandmother, and she was one of my very best friends.
Yeah.
And she was she's great.
Yeah.
Oh, goodness.
Don't cry, I'll cry. I have a sentimental heart. So that's why we wanted to talk about this house.
Okay,
Yeah.
but it's so close to my
I
mom.
mean-
it's so close. I mean, we could throw a stone.
I mean,
and
you're basically in the same house.
pretty much.
You string a tin can fall.
Yeah, you could raise the window.
bring me some
and-
meatloaf.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah. Maybe you think it's got a lot of downsides being so close to your mom's house,
Yes.
and maybe you think it's seen better days and it can't be saved, but I think differently. Forget how sad it's become
Okay.
and try to imagine when it was new. And we could do something like this.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, that's great.
I would love to give it a bright red roof and paint the house white. So it'd be these crisp red and white colors that make me think of a farm.
Yeah,
What you'll notice is this porch is not positioned where this porch is.
right.
We would basically shift it over to the left so you could actually sit on this porch, not block
I like the
door,
idea
right?
of a front porch.
And then add a porch on the right side. So you would have a porch on the front, a porch on the side.
It's adorable. That's
That looks
adorable.
great.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Imagine if we got rid of the carpet
Okay.
and we got rid of this ceiling.
Yeah,
and we went up
okay.
into the attic and vaulted the
Wow, I
ceiling.
like that idea. It would be so sweet.
Yeah. So it would make it feel a lot bigger.
Yeah.
And another thing that would make it feel bigger is if we opened up this wall right here for your kitchen.
Yes.
Came over to about here. Vaulting a ceiling, doing a cased opening is about 5,000, but again, no central heat or air.
Right. Gotta have.
We
We got to have that.
Like,
that is a must.
It's dripping off my hands and my nose.
I'm sure they didn't have it back then. This house has never had it. We have to have that.
Yeah.
$27,000 for the kitchen, which is a pretty big number.
It's a good chunk, yeah.
But this house doesn't really have a kitchen.
Right, you're
We
right.
would be building it.
We would build a kitchen,
scratch.
yeah.
Even more outrageous is this tiny, silly.
Tiny bathroom, tiny house.
I've never seen anything like that tub.
I've never seen anything like it
It's
either.
a foot
but
bath.
We could do all of this. Big bathroom, great kitchen, change the exterior, $80,000,
under budget.
$20,000
Yeah.
under budget since the house is free.
If you know me, you know that I like a bargain, and I mean that's a bargain. It's still so close to my mom, so I mean I'm still thinking about. I'm thinking about town and.
Is it that it's literally next door, or is it just that it's in the same vicinity?
You could spit and hit the
You
house.
could,
Yeah.
yes, you could spit
I
and
probably
hit that
could.
house. So it really is the idea of it being just super close.
So if
I
it
don't
was
know.
just a little bit further away,
She would have more
Maybe, yeah.
privacy.
I have priced, and we could move it if we stayed on the same property. We could move it for about
You
$15,000.
got a lot of family land out here.
There's 20 acres, yeah.
Okay.
What if you just use a little of it?
You got some oak trees
Look at
growing
the
along
shade
the
they
old fence
cast.
row.
It is
Look at all
amazing
this
shade. It is.
You get to see the sunrise from the front porch, and then the sun would set back here. You could enjoy it all from the side porch over here. I can't even see your mom's house from here. I mean, what do you think? Could this work?
I mean, if you really think that you can move that house,
Well, not me personally.
well, I know you
but
personally,
we
if
have
you-
moved houses that were much bigger.
then I'll let you do that house.
That is the craziest thing I've ever seen.
Look at it go!
She's gonna push it. She's pushing the house.
Ah, got it.
Got it there.
Wow. Can you believe this has happened? You didn't think it could be done, did you?
I had my doubts.
You had your doubts.
It looks so beautiful just the way it sits.
I think so
Maybe
too.
we shouldn't even do anything.
No,
to
no,
it.
no, no. You've got to
We'll
complete.
fix it up.
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll get the foundation built up, actually sit the house down,
Right.
start running all the utilities.
Hi.
Alan, I've never seen a tub like this.
I've seen one.
Really?
A guy-in-law's got one, but he uses it for a shower.
See, that makes sense. I've never seen one like this, but I think, like, you know, as a shower base, that would be really cool. They weren't using this as a shower.
Absolutely
This is a
not.
bathtub.
Oh, the roof looks amazing. The house looks terrible now. Just terrible. Interestingly, my mom drove out this way a couple days ago because she wanted to see the house. And she was like, I just couldn't find it. I just saw a shed. You found it.
Vanity came.
Vanity came, and the purposes are gonna be done hooking up all the plumbing by the end of the day. Before, it was just a tiny little bedroom that Renee didn't need at all, and now it's everything she needs for a master bath. And it is amazing what fresh sheetrock can do for a house. To me, even with all the landscaping, the house doesn't feel finished until that flower box goes under the windows.
Right. You see how this thing looks? It's like the eyeliner.
Well, it's
Well-
more like mascara because it's kind of fluttery with the flowers and all. We don't have the flowers yet, but the box is there.
Okay. Put a few more screws in it, get it stained, we'll be good to go. The flowers in the box are gonna be the mascara. The box is the eyeliner.
Okay, Ben, you win. You know so much about makeup.
I cannot believe that that's it. That is amazing.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe that was my
Okay.
grandmother, my great-grandmother's house. Unbelievable. It looks like a little tiny old house that's come alive.
Isn't it amazing?
Yes. I've never owned a home before. This is my house.
Yep.
Oh my God, look at this. This is amazing. Oh my God. You used that ladder. I wanted that in this house so bad. It looks great.
I vaulted the ceiling just for it.
That vaulted ceiling, it makes this room feel so much bigger. Wow.
Renee.
I am, look at the floors.
Oh my gosh.
These are the floors that were in this house?
Yes.
Them.
That's them. That's what was under the carpet.
Look at them. Look at this kitchen. That is the same sink.
That's the
That is
sink.
not the same sink.
Not the same thing.
That's it.
Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this bathroom. So sunny.
It's just very
Beautiful.
fresh
Yeah.
and huge for a bathroom. Much more useful than the second bedroom. right?
Yes. Look at that.
Oh,
That is
girly.
beautiful.
That's girly.
It's so sweet.
And this bathtub is a little bit bigger.
Oh, a little bit.
Yeah.
It's a lot bigger.
But you know what? We didn't trash the old tub.
Oh, really? Oh my goodness, this is the original refrigerator.
Uh-huh.
What in
What
the
is
world?
that?
That's a dog bath.
That is the craziest thing I've ever
It's plumbed
seen.
and everything.
Yeah.
Like,
See, you got a little wand.
or it can be your outdoor shower if you just want to.
No way.
Hose
Redneck
off
hot
outside.
tub.
I'm telling you,